In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Robinhood to CoinLedger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Robinhood account and connect it to CoinLedger. I'm going to teach you how to do this process through a web browser on your computer. You might be able to follow this entirely through a smartphone and by using the applications. However, as I've said before, for the method that I chose to showcase here, you will need to do it through a web browser on a computer. So to start, go to the Robinhood website, choose your account at the top right corner of the screen, and go into the settings of your Robinhood account. Within the settings, you will find the crypto category available here. So choose crypto, and under API trading, you will be able to add a new key to Robinhood. So choose the option to add a new key. And now within CoinLedger, what you have to do is select the option to connect account by API. So go to the import option, and under your accounts, you will be able to find connect API. So on CoinLedger, choose the option to connect API. Now generate the key here. Need a public/private key pair for creating a Robinhood API key. Choose the option at the side, and then give it a name, an expiration date, which is optional, and what this account has powers to do, so allowed API actions. So usually you would just take all of these to read crypto holdings, accounts, orders, and so on. A public key, if you need additional tips, choose this option here, and optionally an allowed IP. After you save this, it is going to be available, and all that you have to do is insert the API key. You will be able to connect them both using the API trading feature. If you still need additional help, as I've said before, use the API docs, but it's as simple as using the API key to connect both services. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Robinhood to CoinLedger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.